Here is the stunning natural beauty of Manuel Antonio National Park. I met some other travelers at the hostel and made 2 new friends, Valeria and her cousin, Fernanda. Val and I went to the national park and did a guided tour there. The wildlife that is right there in front of you is unbelievable. We saw monkeys, crabs, insects, birds. It was even my first time seeing this chameleon or a sloth. Our tour guide was amazing. I would not have had a chance at seeing either of those without him. However, there was another creature in front of our hostel whose presence was not so subtle. So these cyclists ride by and say, yeah, that is a fer de lance, the most poisonous snake in the world. I looked it up. It's up there. But actually, I'm not sure if this is a fer de lance or if it's some sort of boa. Regardless, that was a mighty snake.
Oh my god.
There are so many animals here, and more often than not, they're completely harmless. Just respect their space, and they're going to respect yours. But the one thing to watch out for is train station birds. Those things are demons.
Okay. There's a bird and it just literally shit almost on us.
What?
I know, I'm also there.
Oh! We were unscathed. Oh my god. Wow. ¿Cómo se dice?
Quita.
Quita. They're teaching me, Val and Fair are teaching me my numbers. Here are my beautiful Costa Rican models helping me learn my numbers. 10 y 6. Okay, sí. Nueve. But how do you say? ¿Cómo se dice? 90. 90. 95. 95. Eso es. No, 23. Oh no. Okay, they're making it easy on me. This video's awful. 19. ¿Sí? 19. I'm gonna keep forgetting. Not nueve. No. 90. 93. Good news, the bus is only 20 minutes late.
Is it recording? Oh, see.
You tell me. Say hi.
Hola.
What's your favorite color?
Pink.
Just freaked out. You're like, what is my favorite color? No.
Really? No. I hate pink. Vale, my conclusion of the trip is that I hate you.